We're starting off with dirty hair, and as you can see, my hair is dry. So what I'm going to be doing is washing my hair using a shampoo bar and then applying the recipe. So let me show you quickly how to make it. So we're starting off with plain yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt if you want. And this container contains 500 ml of plain yogurt, but I used half of it. And then I added in 2 tablespoons of my Amla oil mixture. This is Amla and olive oil mixed. Yeah, so that's it. That's the only thing you have to do. And I'm going to mix this very, very well. And that's it. That's what you need for this recipe. It's very easy. And now I'm going to show you the Ayurvedic shampoo bar that I'm using. So this is it, and I got it from my organics, and this is not sponsored. I just love this shampoo bar. So this is how it looks. And yeah, so it's a really good shampoo bar. I washed my hair using it, and I haven't even applied any type of conditioner on it. Yeah, so after washing my hair using the Ayurvedic shampoo bar, this is the result, and my hair still felt soft and it was clean. As you can see, my scalp was super clean. So what I'm going to do next is to apply this yogurt mixture. So on freshly washed hair, we're applying this directly on our hair and on our scalp. So what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to pat the hair. Well, guys, I realized that the yogurt has lots of moisture. So if you can try and dry your hair just a bit using a cotton t-shirt. So that's what I did. You need to remove the excess water. And this application is very, very messy. Yes, it's super messy. It was super irritating actually, guys. But anyway, we want to focus more on the benefits of this. So the downside on the of this is just the application being messy. Other than that, everything else is okay. So as you can see, what I'm doing here is I'm applying it directly on my hair and making sure that each strand is coated. Well, I was looking at my hair and just applying slowly because I wasn't sure what I was going to expect. I was just trying to feel how my hair feels while I'm applying, and honestly, it didn't feel anything. I actually felt like I was applying water. Maybe let's just say a thicker consistency of water. Yeah, because it didn't feel soft or any kind of, there was no difference actually, guys. I didn't feel that much of a difference, and there actually the oil that I added to it helped with the application, because I think if I never added the oils, it would have been a very difficult application for my hair. So if you have type 4 hair, kindly add a few tablespoons of your oil. Yeah, and I don't mind adding this and applying this on my scalp. Yeah, because I felt like it was not that heavy. It's not heavy. And yeah, so this is all I'm going to be doing on my entire hair. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. So once I'm done with my application, I make sure that I apply even my edges. Never forget your edges, guys. And I make sure that my scalp is covered. Then after that, I massage it into my scalp for around 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I take a plastic cup and cover my hair with it, and I'm going to stay with it for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'm going to stay in my steaming cup for 20 more minutes. If you want to speed up the process, just use a steaming cup for 20 or 30 minutes. That will be okay. And like I said, it's very messy. So this is the next day. I never showed you after I rinsed out the yogurt, but what I did was after rinsing, I just moisturized my hair. I never really did anything extra, and I'm going to link at the top of your screen a video on how I moisturize my hair, because that's basically what I did the previous day. One thing I realized is my hair was super soft, and I'm going to prove to you because I'm going to be combing my hair without adding any kind of product to it. The combo is just gliding through, and I could have continued, but I didn't want to break my hair, so that's something I didn't want to risk. So what I'm doing is refreshing the twist, because I want to stretch my hair a bit more. So this is what I do. Every time I wash my hair, I refresh my twist the next day so that I can be able to stretch my hair. So I'm just going to apply water because my hair is still moisturized. So one thing I've noticed is this yogurt has made my hair really soft. Another thing is my hair feels and looks moisturized, which means that this yogurt is very moisturizing. Another thing that I've noticed is it has a really amazing shine to it. My hair is really shiny and it's just super amazing, guys. And also when I was doing this flat twist, my hair felt strong. And I believe it's because of the protein that comes from the yogurt. Yeah, so my hair is low porosity, and we all know that low porosity is protein sensitive. Yeah, but I guess for now the hair feels strong in a good way, and there's no dryness, there's no stiffness, which is great. And now look at the twist. It has a shine to it. It's really dark in color and it looks amazing. Okay guys, I was refreshing my hair. Um well, this is what I do every single time after every wash day. Um, Before I sleep, I make sure that I put my hair in twist after moisturizing my hair, and my moisturizing routine is still the same. I haven't changed anything. So what I do is I just apply my Amla oil mixture, and then I seal everything with my shea butter, mainly focusing on my ends. And then after that, I do my flat twist. So what I do the next day, or maybe the day after the next day, what I do is I just refresh my flat twist or my twist. I just take water. I only use water. I don't use anything else. And as you can see, my hands are still oily, meaning that my hair is well moisturized. It has oils in it, so I cannot add anything to it to avoid product buildup. And well, I want to comment on the yogurt, guys. The yogurt is amazing. My hair feels super soft, and I don't really understand why, but this is an ingredient that I've been missing and I love actually. So when it comes to experimenting new things, I'm more skeptical about them, but this yogurt, I was actually worried because my hair is low porosity, and I know some of you are going to say that my hair is not low porosity because of my routine, but honestly, guys, I'm the one who knows my hair. I did all the tests that you need to do to confirm your porosity. So for those of you who still doubt that my hair is low porosity, let me just tell you once and for all, my hair is low porosity. Yes. Anyway, since my hair is low porosity, it's very protein sensitive, and as we all know, yogurt has protein in it. But I thought that it was going to make my hair stiff and dry, but guys, my hair was super soft. It's still super soft, and I just showed you guys I was combing my hair without even adding water to it, and it was super soft. It's just that I couldn't continue doing that because I don't really want to break my hair. My hair has really turned black. It actually looks and feels, actually it looks like I've dyed my hair. Sorry about this twist. I'm really tired, guys. Well, today is that day of the month, and I just decided, let me just... I'm so sorry for the background noise, guys. I don't even know what is going on. This has just really excited me, and I'd really love for you guys to try this yogurt, and I'm pretty sure, guys, I'm going to include this in my routine. So yeah, guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys, look at how black, it's really dark, guys. My hair is super dark. It looks like I've even dyed it. It's super dark, and I'm so in love with it. And the softness, guys, and also the shiny, it has that shininess. I don't know, I don't even know where it's coming from, but guys, this is so amazing. I'm in love with this, and I'm pretty sure I'm just going to include this in my routine, and I'm going to do this 4 times in a row. I want to see if my hair is going to react differently, especially from the protein in the yogurt. So yeah, I'm going to experiment it, and I'm going to try it for the next 4 wash days. Okay, the next 3 wash days, because I've already started. The next 3 washes, and I'm going to update you guys on this. I'm going to tell you how it's going to react to my hair, since it's low porosity. If you have high porosity hair, you can try this. This is going to be amazing for your hair. And for the low porosity girls, I'm going to update you. I'm going to see if it's going to bring that stiffness and dryness that comes with protein. Yeah, but if you want to try it once, it's amazing. Just try it once and wait for me to give you a feedback after 1 month. Yeah, because I have to experiment this, guys, for you, so that I can tell you whether it's good or not. So actually what I added was only Amla oil. I didn't want to add so much to the yogurt, because I just wanted to see the effects of the yogurt. Yes, and I also used a shampoo bar, which was amazing, guys. I'm going to tell you this afterwards, but the shampoo bar was amazing. And in short, I just did a routine, an Indian hair routine. Yeah, so I'm going to give you feedback on how my hair is going to react. I'm going to give it a few days to see how it's going. If it's still going to be soft and moisturized, because my hair is super moisturized right now. Yes, I'm also going to do it again. The next wash day, I'm going to do a yogurt deep conditioning as well, and I'm still going to repeat the same process, adding just a few tablespoons of my Amla oil mixture. And I'm also going to be using the shampoo bar that I started using. Yeah, so I'm going to update you guys on that. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe so that I can be able to show you guys the next thing. Yeah, so other than that, everything is okay. I love how my hair feels, to be honest. And the shampoo bar, the shampoo bar made my work super easy, and it actually cleaned my hair. It cleaned my hair, but it did not leave my hair dry. It's just amazing. I think I'm going to make a separate video on the shampoo bar. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'm going to include it here. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's all I have. And yeah, as you can see, my hair is really good. It's really, really moisturized, and I'm so in love. I'm in love with this, and I'm definitely doing it again. Yeah, so that's all, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.